Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. I hope you guys are doing great out there. Hopefully the wind will not affect the voice quality or the volume of this or the sound, sorry, or this recording. Hopefully it doesn't do that, but be that as it may, I'm gonna proceed anyhow. Now I hope you guys caught that buy. Alright? Hope you guys caught that buy. As you can see, GBPCAD is on its way up. Now I wouldn't advise you to enter this market at all. Those who miss the bus, you gotta wait for another bus to come around the corner. All right? But you gotta catch these moves just as it happened. And pattern, candlestick patterns have been time tested and proven. If you guys study the candlestick Bible and you understand the different types of candlestick, because all candlesticks are is price movement. That's not even proper English. All the candlestick is price movement. That's the best way I could put it. That's all candlesticks are. Now, the movement of price. That's better. That's the best way to put it. Price candlesticks are the movement of price from one area to the next. As you can see with this GBP CAD currency pair and its setup, there was a double bottom formed, right? And there was an actual good push up this particular candle. I was watching this market for a while and I saw that. I remember now, I had actually gotten it down here. If you look at my past video, you're gonna see that I actually had a really good sniper entry. I had a really good sniper entry because I wanted to see what the market would do at the level of structure. Because this level has been contested before if you zoom out, but I'm not gonna zoom out and all of that. I'm not gonna do all of that. But I just want to let y'all know that this area here was very important. And I just wanted to see what the price would do. And as you can see, the market fell. It broke the trend line. First of all, it formed a double bottom with the engulfing candle pattern as the confirmation candle at the area of support. And as you can see, this trend line was a descending trend line because the market was selling. It was the sellers who dominating. Yeah, I'm outside, y'all. The sellers were dominating. Then the buyers decided to take charge. Now, what did the buyers do? The buyers actually broke the trend, right? And of course, you would have some persons trade what you would call the break and retest strategy, where they would wait for the market to retest the trend line and get in at a better entry to continue riding the momentum, whatever in whatever direction the market is intending to go. In this case, the market is going up. Now I've already exited this trade. Forgive me. Forgive me. Yes. I've already exited this trade. All right. As I already meet my goal. I've already met my goal. So I've exited this trade, but as you can see, the momentum is showing up. Right? It's showing up. You got the break of the trend line where the engulfing candle broke the trend line. And then you had the retest where it actually bounced off of the trend line, even though it shows an indecision. But as you can see, the buyers have dominated this market. This is a buyer's market at this time. But like I say, I wouldn't get in. I wouldn't get in on this. Because some folks, what they would do, they'll try to buy up here, and that's not that's not sense. Okay, that's a very crazy thing to do. Because the market has already showing its hand a long time, and you're supposed to get in a long time, and you don't want your stop loss all the way down here. If you're gonna put in a stop loss, I personally don't trade with a stop loss. All right, because in my head, well, one, I like to leave myself anonymous in the market, and two, you want to give your trade wiggle room because the market has a tendency to fake people out a lot, and you know the market makers, they are very famous for catching liquidity at certain areas because they know exactly how y'all trading out there. You think they ain't watching y'all? Y'all think them big banks watching y'all? And with the market makers, you don't think they watching y'all? They grabbing liquidity. They grabbing liquidity from certain areas in the market because they know y'all have your stop losses there. This is why you gotta enter the market at a good entry. So if you don't have a stop loss and you have your mental stop loss, you will have enough wiggle room for the market to push down, and you ain't worrying because it ain't hitting your mental stop loss. You see what I'm saying? And you could trade comfortably and confidently. Also, when you don't over leverage your trading account when you trade, all right? Because when you over leverage, you gotta be all up on the screen praying to God, Lord, please don't let the market whipsaw me out. Because you know that be happening a lot. So you just have to trade responsibly as it relates to the actual um size of the account that you have. But like I told you before, and I'm gonna shut up now and leave. But this market is is biased territory right now. For how long? I trade support and resistance, but I wouldn't get into where I think the market is going to go from here. No, I'm not going to do that. All we're going to do now is wait and see what this market continues to do and look for more opportunities in the market, the different markets out there. You get the different currency pairs, wait for opportunity, and trade the exact same setup or similar setup so that you could have a consistent result over time. All right. You guys have a wonderful day, man. And thank you. You guys take care.